My name is Nelson Petracek. I'm the Global Head of Strategic Solutions Group within TIBCO Software. Well, TIBCO BusinessEvents is a part of the TIBCO Fast Data platform focused on enabling customers to build event-driven applications to handle the needs of today's digital business. Well, one of the key features of business events that I get asked about a lot when I talk to customers is the Web Studio component. In a lot of cases, customers are really looking to provide the end user community with a set of capabilities that allow them to modify and change business logic on their own without actually having to go through a complex IT development cycle. They'll often refer to this as a self-service capability. Web Studio places a nice, easy-to-use interface on top of the Business Events platform that allows you to modify business logic, add new business logic, and even to deploy that business logic without actually having to shut down any part of the running system. In certain cases, it's also important to give the end users the information in a format that they understand, their terms, their language, their look and feel. Web Studio gives you an open API that allows you to customize the interface to provide those capabilities. When looking at the business events differentiators, I tend to focus on three core capabilities. The first capability is an out-of-the-box capability for providing or managing state. Through the use of an in-memory data grid, I can have business events keep core business entities for a long period of time, draw upon those entities as I need them, and also include them in any processing logic. Key system features such as fault tolerance, high availability, and speed are also automatically provided by the state management layer. The second core capability is the fact that business events by default is a declarative environment. And what I mean by that is that there's no need to predefine a series of steps or a series of procedural flows up front. Those types of constructs can make it very hard to add new types of logic. Business Events gives you this environment where I can simply inject new rules into the system and the environment automatically figures out when they should be executed. The third key differentiator is the fact that Business Events gives you complete flexibility in determining what is the best way to represent a problem given a particular set of use cases. So for example, in Business Events, I can use constructs such as decision tables, process flows, rule templates, queries, and other types of language metaphors that enable me to simply address a lot of the problems that I'm encountering as part of my user use cases. When looking at the TIBCO Fast Data platform, it actually includes a number of different capabilities. So when you look at how Business Events fits into that platform, you're really looking at about 4 different areas. The first one is really, how do I get information to Business Events, and how does Business Events send information out? Messaging and integration are core capabilities from TIBCO that provide those types of features. Another capability you'll often find is the need to pre-process, filter, and aggregate events, or even to apply real-time streaming analytics against that data. TIBCO provides a capability that can be used in front of business events in order to provide those sorts of features. Then you look at more the analytics side, and whether you're talking about real-time analytics or historical analytics, TIBCO provides capabilities that allow you to send events out of business events that then can be picked up and processed by these analytical capabilities from TIBCO. And then finally, you also have the visualization component. How do I know what business events is doing in real time? And TIBCO has a component of the Fast Data platform that gives you that real-time visualization.